Hope you have done activity 4 in our text. There we saw what an adjective phrase and an adjective clause is. Through this video, let us see some more details.
An adjective phrase is a group of words that describe a noun or pronoun in a sentence. The adjective in the phrase can appear at the start, end, or in the middle of the phrase. The adjective phrase can be placed before or after the noun or pronoun in the sentence. Now let us see some examples of adjective phrase used in sentences. The movie was not too terrible. Here, not too terrible is an example of adjective phrase as it describes the noun movie in the sentence. A person smarter than me needs to figure this out. Here, smarter than me is an adjective phrase as it describes the noun person in the sentence. That complex has quite small but cheap apartments. Here, the noun apartments is described using the expression quite small but cheap. Hence, it is also an adjective phrase. Faster than a speeding bullet, Superman saved the day. Here, Superman is described using the expression faster than a speeding bullet. Hence, it is also an adjective phrase. Eating out is usually not very healthy. Here, the noun phrase eating out is described using not very healthy. So, it is also an adjective phrase. Now, let us see what is an adjective clause. Adjective clause is also known as adjectival clause. It is a type of dependent clause. It has a subject and verb in it. They describe the noun in the sentence. However, they cannot stand alone. Adjective clause usually begins with a relative pronoun. That, where, when, who, whom, whose, which, why are some of the relative pronouns that we can see at the beginning of adjective clause. Now let us see some examples of adjective clause used in sentences. Chocolate, which many people adore, is fattening. Here, the expression which many people adore is an example of adjective clause. People who are smart follow the rules. Here, the noun people is described using the expression who are smart. Hence, it is an example of adjective clause. I can't remember the time when cell phones didn't exist. Here, the expression when cell phones didn't exist is an example of adjective clause because it describes the noun time in the sentence. These adjective clauses are different from adjective phrase in the sense that these have a subject and verb in them.
Now here is an activity for you. Identify the adjective phrases in the following sentences. The first one is already done for you as an example. Identify adjective clauses in the following sentences. Here also, the first one is already done for you as an example.